Hello, Imaginers. I want to introduce myself and welcome you to the ImagenAI Community. My name is Scott Weidenkivowitz, and I am the Content and Community Manager here at ImagenAI. I began my career in the photography industry many years ago. I'm a father of two amazing kids that are growing up way too fast. And now my life's journey has brought me to ImagenAI, where I now have the opportunity to help you with your photography workflows. When I came on board at ImagenAI, I gave myself some goals. One fundamental goal is to help you with your photographic, editing, and business workflows. And I'm very excited to do that. The ImagenAI community is a space for professional photographers and aspiring pros. It is a place for photographers worldwide to ask questions, to share tips, to celebrate wins, workflows, time and money-saving advice and ideas. As part of the community, we will share special events, tutorials, and you will be the first to find out about the latest features from ImagenAI. We have heard from many customers that they want to speak with our founders, Ron, Yotam, and Yoav. So we're making that happen with our Ask Us sessions. These are live streaming events exclusive to the ImagenAI community. These are where you can ask us anything. What makes your style unique? What makes your style your signature? What makes it you? And how has it evolved over time? These are the things that we want to hear about and talk about in the ImagenAI community. And while inside the community, you will see topics for a variety of different things. These topics are to keep discussions organized, and we hope that you participate and learn from all of them. But we also hope that you help others as well, that you contribute and be a part of the conversation. So we are going to have Workflows Mondays, where we share workflow advice and content and ask for your thoughts on these topics. We will have Edits Tuesdays, where we ask you to share your befores and afters of photographs that you have edited using ImagenAI. And by participating on those, you get a chance to be featured in our public spotlights. Wednesdays are our live streaming days, which we hope to do quite often for you. Photo Tips Thursdays are like Mondays, but these are advice, tips, and tricks that go beyond just workflows. We will offer some advice on cameras and lighting and posing. We'll share webinars and events, some business tips and hacks, and we encourage you to share your ideas and your advice on those days too. And then we end each week with Show Off Fridays. This is where every Imaginer has an opportunity to comment with a link to your new website, your new brand design, your new blog post, your news clipping, or anything that you have going on. This is your chance to show off a little. We love seeing what the community is up to. So please participate every Friday because it's a good opportunity. In fact, you might even find that we share your show-offs in the ImagenAI social feeds. I am so delighted to be here. I'm so delighted that you're here, and I'm so happy to be talking to you, to be talking with you, and for everything that is to come. Let's learn together. Thank you, and welcome to the ImagenAI community. This thing, hashtags. From Jimmy Fallon. Couldn't resist.